Hey fam, this is Bitoyo Ting and you're tuned in Easy Rock! And I need you now tonight, and I need you more than ever. And if you only hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever, and we'll only be making it right, 'cause we'll never be wrong. I'm all out of love. I'm solaced without you. I know you were right, believing for so long. What are you thinking of? So you think you can stop being spit in my eyes? So you think you can love me and leave me to die? Oh! Hindi naman, siningitan nyo ng bago. Hindi ko naman, Cup of Joe dalarin ko, mukhang maayos na banda yan, magaling yan. Magkaka-concert pa yata yan, pero hindi ko, iba yung napapakinggan ko eh. Pwede mo patawarin nyo ako? Multo. Oh, multo! Layuan mo ako! Oh! Yan, naririnig. Gento, 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 gento. Bakit gento ang puso? SB19, mabuhay kayo. Favorite song at the moment, ito, yung sa Basilero, yun yung talagang pinopromote ko eh. Oh, ito, first line. Hindi ka ba nagkakamali? Mabuti ba ang iyong ugali? Perpekto ba ang iyong itsura? Sana nga ikaw ay sobrang ganda. Oh, alam kong ako ang dahilan ng ating hiwalayan. Alam kong ako ang sumira sa ating sumpaan. Hindi kita masisisi kung magalit ka man sa akin. At handa kong tanggapin anuman ang iyong gawin. Titibayan ko ang dibdib. Susubukan kong tanggapin anuman ang mangyari sa ating dalawa, titibayan ko ang dibdib. Remember someone today. This is Bitoyo Ting. Bye, fam!
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out all our videos by clicking here.
And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too.
links are in the description below.